Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about this brow gel from Maybelline. It's called Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel, and that's how it looks like. And the shade I picked it up is in medium brown. This was the darkest shade available there, so I got it, and I think it comes in 4 shades. So that's how the box looks like, and this was for $10. So inside of the box you get this tube for the gel, and that's how the tube looks like, and a spoolie to brush up your brows. And you're supposed to brush up your brows, then use this product and then brush again to distribute the product evenly. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just quickly move on to the application. So guys, here's the quick close-up of the tube and the wand, and that's how it looks like up close. So guys, here I'm just using spoolie to brush out my brow hair, and then I'll start with the product, laying the product in the middle of my brow and then working my way to the tail and the front part. And you'll see the instant difference in my brows. I'll just brush out everything. Here I'm just brushing out, and you can see the difference between the two brows. I really love it. Guys, there are a couple of things which I do not like about this product, and the first is the applicator catches a lot of product when you pull it out. So you have to be very careful and get rid of the excess before you start doing your brows, because that will mess up your application process. And the second thing is you have very little control over the application. The wand is such that you cannot really define the shape of your brows. You can just fill in the bald spots to an extent, but not like where you can create a new brow for yourself. So it's not that kind of a product, but if you already have a fuller brow or like semi-full brow like myself, you can like use this product and make it work for you. But if you guys have super thin eyebrow, or you really need to create a shape for yourself to have a beautiful brow, I don't think this product will work for you. So guys, in my opinion, brows are really personal, and you really have to work with the product in order to start liking it. It's not something that you put on and you'll instantly like it, because every product will make your brows look a certain way, and you have to accept that the way your eyebrows are looking, you like it. So you have to work with the product for a week or 2 weeks, and definitely you cannot like use a brow product once and decide whether you like it or not. So I will have to work with this product for a few weeks and see if I like it or not. I'll update you guys on my Instagram, but for now I'm really enjoying it. It's really making my brows look very fuller, but if you look up close, I'm liking that definition which I get from powder and wax things. So I don't like it for now, but I think if I'll work with this product for a few weeks, I'll get hang of it and I'll start enjoying it. And for my brows, they are totally dry, but they are not crunchy or anything. They are looking like they feel like a very normal, like my normal brow hair. So that's that. And guys, this is a tinting product, so they say it lasts for 2 days. So I will check it out, because I'm washing my face twice a day, and I also use makeup wipes to get rid of all my makeup. But I would like to see how well this stain lasts after going through like 2 washes and a makeup wipe. So I will update you guys either in the description box, or I will insert a little clip updating you guys at the end of this video. So welcome back guys, and today I'll be updating you guys regarding Maybelline brow tattoo, and it's been 3 to 4 days I have been using this product. So the claims that the tint lasts for 2 days are totally wrong, because I used it for 4 or 5 days and I didn't see any tint after I washed my face. So That's that. One day I tried to remove my brow product with the makeup wipe. It came off totally. Then the next day I avoided my brow area and just washed my face with my face wash. Then also the brow tint came off, so there was no tint left. So that's that. And then you have to work with the product little bit. This is really a good product, a very quick product. You get done with your brows really quickly, but you have to work with it. You have to try to learn how to use the spoolie and the wand in order to get the perfect brows. I sometimes use brush too. So overall I think I like this product, but the claim that the brows will last for 2 days are totally wrong, because they didn't last it for me. And currently I'm loving this product and I'm getting used to it. So those were my views on this product, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.